Across the Pacific in the U.S., a report has been published that highlights just how much potential inbound Chinese investment has to help the American economy.
Chinese foreign direct investment in the U.S. shows enormous potential to create economic growth. A report released by the Asia Society on Wednesday says Chinese firms will place some $1 trillion to $2 trillion in direct investment around the world over the coming decade. Last year, Chinese FDI in the U.S. totaled $5 billion. The report estimates that Chinese firms in the U.S. have already created more than 10,000 American jobs. A new study warns that political barriers from Washington against Chinese FDI may squander immense opportunities for U.S. employment. It suggests that Washington needs to send a clear and bipartisan message that Chinese investment is welcome. U.S. Secretary of Commerce Gary Locke Wednesday said at the launch ceremony of the report that the U.S. welcomes FDI from China, which benefits the U.S. economy. Locke stresses that Chinese FDI is a good thing for American workers and a good thing for American businesses. Locke says that foreign-owned companies employ some 5 million American workers across all 50 states, and increasingly, the U.S. is seeing more investment coming from China. The report says that U.S. review mechanisms are doing an effective job of protecting vital security interests. However, it says that the continued politicalization of the review process against Chinese FDI will choke off future investment and cost Americans valuable opportunities for job gains and new streams of tax revenues. It says the promotion of FDI from China needs to be taken seriously at the federal level. The U.S. should refrain from playing the reciprocity game and making access to the U.S. contingent on Chinese market openness. The process of screening Chinese investments for U.S. national security concerns should be better protected from political interference. Locke believes a great bulk of potential Chinese investments should not just be permitted but encouraged.